Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel once again, The Beautiful Stitches, where we make people beautiful and we learn and try out things on our own. Welcome back. Please, if you're new to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Before leaving, please click on the subscription button, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell to always get notified anytime we upload our videos. All right, let's go over to today's business. Today we'll be drafting a basic sleeve, and what we need for today's tutorial is our pattern paper, our marker, our scissors, of course, for cutting, a measuring tape, and our armhole. And for today's tutorial, we'll be working with a measurement of armhole 16, sleeve length 11, and round sleeve of 14. That's by the way. So for us to draft out our basic sleeve, we need to input some measurements on our pattern paper. Here is the pattern paper, here is the open sleeve, is a folded end. You need to fold your paper into two. So our pattern paper is folded into two. Here is our open sleeve. Then on our pattern paper, we need to measure out map out our measurements. Sorry. Here is our baseline. Whatever measurement we are taking from starts from here down this way. So we measure out our cap sleeve. For us to get our cap sleeve, we divide our bust by 12 and add ½ inch to it. That is 40 divided by 12. 40 is my bust. 40 divided by 12 plus ½ inch. We have 338, which is here. All right, this is here. I've already marked it out. Then our sleeve length is 11, which is here. Okay. So we input our armhole measurement. Our armhole measurement from our basic bodice was 8 inches. That is 16 divided by 2. 8 inches plus our seam allowance, 1 inch seam allowance. So we have 9 inches is here. Have it here. So what to do next is to draw a diagonal line to meet up with this point from the edge of your open sleeve, from where you mark your baseline down to this armhole measurements. This way, mark a straight line this way, diagonal line this way. Then we'll look for the midpoint of this line. The midpoint is 5. We have 10 here, so 5 is the midpoint. At this midpoint, you go up by ½ inch. Remember, at this point where you came up by ½ inch, you draw a line to connect down this way. Remember, it is not a straight line, so you connect it this way from the midpoint here down this way. Then from the edge of the sleeve down to this midpoint again, you connect with your armhole curve this way, making sure it meets at the point, at the midpoint. Then beneath the first curve, you make another curve again, meeting at the lower midpoint here. Make another curve again this way. Then you also curve out from this angle with your armhole curve down to this edge here. Sorry, let me place it well. Sorry. From this midpoint, you go down this way. All right, so this is our midpoint. This is our back armhole, and this is our front armhole. Let's input the round sleeve round sleeve is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7 plus half inch seam allowance. I'll use half inch seam allowance. Here is it. Let's connect it with the, let's connect it this way. Okay, so this is our basic sleeve. Now we'll cut out the back armhole first before the front armhole, which runs this way. Remember, before you cut, always take half an inch away from this seam allowance line. Before you cut, from this point here, take half an inch and connect it this way, so that when you want to fold your seam, you will not have any part that is not meeting up with each other. So let's cut out our sleeve. We cut from this angle here. So this is our basic sleeve. We've cut out the back armhole. So now we'll be cutting out the front armhole. Yeah, this is what it looks like after cutting. This is our basic sleeve. Yeah, as you can see, very beautiful. This is the back armhole and this is the front armhole. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. If you're new to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe before you leave, and also click on the notification bell for you to always get notified anytime we upload our videos, and like and share my videos. Thank you. I love you all. Stay safe and stay out of trouble. Bye bye.